Sairam children, good morning all of you. In this video, we are going to learn a new sloka. So far, we finished 3 slokas, which are Omkaram Bindu Samyuktam, then Vakratunda Mahakaya, and Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. So these 3 slokas we have finished. Now we are going to learn a morning prayer. This is the morning prayer. Let's go to the sloka. Okay? Children, please listen this. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadye Saraswati, Karamule Stita Gauri, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Children, this shloka we have to chant in the morning as soon as we wake up. That is why it's called morning prayer. So, after we wake up, we have to keep our palm like this. Look at this picture, how the uh, palm is shown in the picture. Like that, you have to keep your palm and you have to look at your palm and imagine that these 3 goddesses are in your hands. Okay, that's how you have to keep your palm and look by chanting this sloka. Okay, now let me explain the meaning of the sloka. So the first line, Karagre Vasate Lakshmi, means in the tip of the fingers, Goddess Lakshmi is residing. Now the second line, Karamadye Saraswati, means in the center of the palm, Goddess Saraswati is residing. Now the third line, Karamule Stita Gauri, means in the base of the palm, Goddess Gauri, Goddess Parvati. Gauri means Parvati. Goddess Gauri is residing. And for the last line, Prabhate Karadarshanam, means I remember these 3 goddesses in the morning as soon as I look at my palms. Okay. Actually, in the tip of the fingers in our palms, Goddess Lakshmi is residing. And in the center of the palm, Goddess Saraswati is residing. And in the base of the palm, Goddess Gauri is residing. So, we should know first all these, and it will give us the self-confidence. So once you know this truth, that is, these 3 goddesses are residing in our hands, then every morning, as soon as you wake up, you have to look at your palm to remember this. So in the morning itself, we will connect into the divinity and our confidence will be raised and we can do work with our hands and we can learn with our hands, and by these we can earn money and wealth with our hands. Okay, children? So every morning, as soon as you wake up, you have to look at this palm, look at your palm and remember this and chant this prayer. Chant this sloka, Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. Okay, this is the morning prayer. Okay, children. So in this video, we had seen about the morning prayer because this sloka has to be chanted in the morning as soon as we wake up. And this meaning also we had seen. In our palm, three goddesses are residing. So remembering this manner, we are looking at our palm. That is the meaning. Then we understood by looking the palm, we are invoking the divinity within us. We are bringing out the divinity in the morning itself. So we will realize that these three goddesses are with us only. Okay, and finally we had seen this sloka develops the confidence in us, right? So if we see the darshan of, just you imagine the, if you look at the palm and if you remember these three goddesses are living in our hands, then what else we need? If we start our day like this by looking our palm and thinking that three goddesses are with us, then we will become more confident and we can do our work with great strength, and we can learn, and with these two things we can earn wealth and money with the hands only. So that's how it develops the confidence in us. So morning we have to chant this prayer. Karagre Vasate Lakshmi, Karamadye Saraswati, Karamule Stita Gauri, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Okay, children. Now I hope you all will chant this sloka every morning by looking your palms and do the good things and learn all the good. Okay, children. Sai Ram. Thank you.